Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. And today I'm gonna talking about something else very special. How we raise a little amount to thousands of dollars in few months or something like that. So now let us get to started. And please, before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Give us a thumbs up. And if you want to get the free signals, you want to get indicators and robots, you can join our Telegram channel for free, where you get some daily target, signals and all that. You could see this trade. Will I sent this trade on the VIP on the on the free Telegram channel. So this is the group for today. We started trading today. We traded today, and let me come from the starting of the day. Now this is the day, and before we proceed, I have a good news for you guys. Yeah, it's a good news because HumbleFS is reopening the VIP group. So if you are wanting to join the VIP group, you see, last week we made a a very good trade. Look at the last week trades. We made a lot of trade last week here, and those in here made massive profit. So if you are part of this group, I believe you made something great here. You made something awesome. We made free trades here. So this week I want to restart our VIP group as before, and at this point we have just 10 persons to accommodate. So once these 10 persons is completed, then there are no more free chance to want to join, except you wait for the next time that the portal will be open. But for now, we need 10 persons, and we have gotten already, we got already 2, so 8 persons is left right here. So you don't want to miss out of this opportunity. You want to be part of this VIP. You see the prices that you see the prices here. This price, if you join, I bet you in a day you should get your joining fee, and the rest of the days will be your profit. So guys, and I told you, and I said here, it is just for 2 days, just for the entry is valid for after 2 days. We are good to go. Now see the first trade we took here. We took this trade on the boom 300, and we had our TP, first TP and second TP right here. Guess what? We got that. And we also took a trade here, though this is the wrong trade. I told him to exit it. I exit it right here. And we entered the trade here. Now the next trade we took here is VIX. That's the one you see on my chart. We took VIX 50S. So in this point, in the VIP, you are not only getting entries for boom and crash. You are getting entry for all the indices available on the reef. So we taking trades right there. So you see, this is a different time, not as usual this thing. So you see, if you join this, you see now already you have gotten your money right here, just in one trade. In 2 trades we took in that trade, those have already gotten their trade. Now this is first TP that we took. You see the first line already hit, and the VIX is already going in profit. They are going in profit already, right there, right there, right there. So guys, and also before that, if you I posted before now a mining platform to mine Bitcoin S. So if you have not joined that platform, if you have not joined that platform, you still need to join it. The video is here on the YouTube. You can check my video on how this have you seen a new evolution of Bitcoin. You can watch the video and get and join the mining platform. It's very important. They're about to launch the site. Okay, so if you missed Bitcoin, you don't want to miss this one, because this is going to be massive. So don't miss out, guys. Now we proceed in our trade, and this is what we have got so far. So if you imagine you paid $14 for one month, and in one day we had a nice trade like this, you have gotten back your money and even have your profit. So every other days becomes your what your gain, right? See, also we had a trade on VIX 100. You see, we had the entries here, and guys, that is how we do it, guys. Now we enter a trade for crash 100, and we see we already took profits. Right, guys, so this is how we do it. We entered a new entries on VIX. I put another entry on VIX. See, the crash 300 will give entry. So guys, this is massive, guys. And right, you can join this for daily free trades. When anytime I want to take entry for free trade, you can join there. But for you to get short trades, you must have joined the VIP. Now this is the trade. You see, we are still on it. We are still running on profits on this particular trade, guys. So you don't want to miss out of this opportunity. It's very, very awesome. You don't want to miss out of this opportunity right here. And this is already what is done today. This is already what we have gotten so far in this particular place. So this is how we do it, guys. It's very simple and very, very, very active. So how did I enter this trade? I told you guys I want to show you guys why I entered this trade. And see, guys, I had to do this, guys. See this particular region, you see this particular place. So why am I taking here as my point of interest? Look at this place, look at this place, and then price come to here, and also price come back to it here. So you see that is our entry. That is our entry, guys. So we take the entry. But I told you guys earlier that this is already a downtrend. If you check a higher time frame, you see that we are actually on a downtrend. So we are is currently doing a retracement, and we are looking at that particular point for retracement, which is here, and that's where it came to. And we take our entry, we take our short. We want to go down, more downside. So that is how we took that entry, and we are holding it for longer time. All right, guys, so let's check on that VIX100 that we took earlier and we exited it. So VIX100 also is going to sell right now. Why though we miss the entry, the first entry, we missed the first entry, which is supposed to be here, and the next one is here. So these are the entries that we took it. If you watch my previous video how I make $500 in a day, you see that this was among the trade we took. All right, guys, now this is it, guys. You want to join the VIP, you want to start making money, you want to start and earning money in dollars, and every day you have short trades. At least you have two or three short trades every day. They are now to join the VIP, and the price is very, very affordable. Okay, very, very affordable, and the minimum equity you can have is from 20 and above. If you have $20 equity, you can actually join the VIP, or you can have 20 and above, but I recommend you to have maybe 50 to 100 or more, so that you can take trade with good profit and all that. All right, so that is that for that. All right, so the VIP is officially open right now, and it's open for just 10 persons. So when these 10 persons is completed, then this program will be closed for till next month, just as we close it every month. So if you don't want to miss this time, it's very important you come on board. Okay, so you also start to make the market every day. Okay, it's very like the price for this VIP is just so easy, and you can still come for account management if you want. Account management is still open, and you know, remember the list equity is $200. That's the list equity, and daily shares is every day and all that. Okay, so that is that about it. So please don't forget to share the video, and wait for the indicator I'm going to post in this week. Before the end of this week, I'm going to drop a very awesome indicator for free. You don't need to pay a dime to get it. All you need to do is to be a subscriber in this channel, and to be a member of my Telegram channel, and you'll be able to get that indicator for free. All right, simple as that, guys. Until then, I remain HumbleFx, and see you in the next video.